Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install XAMPP and how to use it for PHP programming. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here XAMPP download. Just simply hit enter. So that will show you this apachefriends.org. Go to their official site. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Once when you're here, you need to click on this download button for XAMPP. Awesome, it's going to start downloading our XAMPP automatically. So if you go to the previous tab, you're going to show the source force page. So this is where our XAMPP will get downloaded. You can see it is rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it. That's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory. And here you can see XAMPP is already been downloaded. Just simply double click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. Welcome to XAMPP. So this is our XAMPP installation wizard. Just click on next. So these are all components. It's going to install totally fine. Click on next. And this is where our XAMPP is going to be installed. Totally fine. Just click on next. And our default language is English. You can always change it to Dutch. I'll proceed with English. And see, now it's ready to be installed. Just click on next and it's going to immediately start installing our XAMPP. So it's going to take a couple of minutes. After that, I'm going to come back to this video. So welcome back. Now you can clearly see that our XAMPP is now rightly installed. So you can just simply click on finish. That's going to launch our XAMPP control panel. Here is our XAMPP control panel. You can minimize your directory. So here you can just simply start Apache and MySql. So you can see both Apache and MySql are now properly started. If you are facing any difficulty, then please to follow these two videos. They're going to help you to resolve that issue. Sometimes if you are having MySql also installed on your system, in that case, that port going to get conflict with the MySql that are used by XAMPP. So that's why if you are getting any errors in starting MySql or Apache, then please to follow these two videos. That's going to solve your issue. Now you need to go to your C drive. You will get a XAMPP folder created over here. Go inside that XAMPP folder. You will get htdocs folder. Here to create a new PHP practice folder. So we're going to do a bit of coding now. So PHP practice, and to go inside that folder, and we're going to create a new text document. And we are going to name this text document as prog.php. Hit enter. Do you want to change the file name extensions? Yes, we want. If you're not getting this type of file name extension, then you need to click on view and to hover over show, and you need to enable this file name extensions. So just do that, then you will see this .php or .txt, that type of extension is coming. Let's open it in a notepad, and here I'll write a hello world PHP code snippet, so angular bracket PHP. I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to echo hello world. Just save this file and go to your browser and just simply open a new tab and type localhost. And after that give a slash, and then you need to provide that folder name what you have created on htdocs folder. So we have created this PHP practice. So that is what you need to copy. Just copy that folder name and just paste it over here and hit enter. So that's going to show you the project that you have created, or the file that you have created, that is prog.php. So it is exactly showing that over here. So you need to open that, and bingo, you are going to get that output, whatever you have written. So if you are changing anything like hello world to hello everyone, and you are saving that file and you are refreshing it, you are going to get that output. So whatever you are basically writing on this PHP program, it's going to render it on that browser. So that's how you install XAMPP, and you can start working on your PHP projects right over here. Since we are talking about PHP, we know WordPress is also built up on PHP. So please do refer to these videos of WordPress that are going to really help you to learn more about building a website. So like I have created building a portfolio website or an e-commerce store, or how to create a complete website using WordPress. So you can watch basically all these videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. And if you're interested on Python, so for that also we have these different playlists. And best part is detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So that's basically all about this video. Please do subscribe and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video, and God bless you all.